Once students are enrolled and the class has completed several MobLab activities, enter the gradebook. When you enter the gradebook for the first time, choose Auto Create Column for each playlist. By default, a participation score for each column is added to your MobLab Gradebook. To edit a column, click on the column pencil icon. You may change the column name, the activities included within the column, grade type, and session grouping. There are 3 different grade types. By default, participation is a score between 0 and 100%. For example, if a student has completed 3 out of 5 activities, the student would have a 60% participation score. In some cases, to incentivize gameplay or offer extra credit, it is helpful to normalize student game scores. Borda Points will rank students from the highest to lowest based on their scores within a game. Students that are tied earn the highest rate. For example, if students in a game earn 22, 26, 22, and 20 points, these students will get 3, 4, 3, and 1 Borda Points. Payoff is a great measure for accuracy in surveys and quizzes. By default, survey questions are worth 10 points. This can be edited per question in the instructor console. Payoff points per game differs. Review how we calculate payoff in the student instructions of each game. There are 2 different types of session grouping. Standard counts all games within the parameters of a created column. Unique activity names will count games and surveys with the same name as only one session. This is ideal for classes with multiple sections running the same activities.